National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Hamilton County in central Texas, southern Erath County in north central Texas, northwestern Bosque County in central Texas, northeastern Comanche County in central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dublin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for eastern Comanche and western Erath counties. Hazard: softball-size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. At 5:40 p.m., softball-size hail was reported in De Leon. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Dublin, De Leon, Hydro, Proctor Lake, Graves, Common, Parliament, Lecken, Alexander, Proctor, Correct, Irwin, Moss, Duffau, Edna Hill, Onion, Downing, Van Dyke, Selden, and Carlton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The storm has a history of producing large hail.
Well, like very large hail.
Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Imagine a doubleheader.
A severe